Assalamualaikum and good morning to Madam Jazima and fellow friends. Today our group will present about Digitalization about Malaysia Airline Berhad MAB Engineering Services in Berhad. So my name is Muhammad Zemi as operation.
My name is Nur Susila as a manager.
My name is Majida as a leader and a finance.
My name is Siti Paulina as system analyst.
And my name is Nur Azim Meta Abdul Karim as admin.
And we will talk about MAB Engineering Services in Berhad. This company maintains and repairs Malaysia Airlines aircraft and ensure they are safe to fly. So they operate hangar in Subang and KLIA and also support other airlines. Our roleplay will cover the issues in operations and billing and how the team work together to solve them. So let's get started.
The leader has called the manager in for an explanation regarding the audit funding.
So you wanted to see of audit?
Yes, I want to see and go through the audit result and I needed some clarity. Can you explain to me what happened? I need an explanation before presenting to the population.
Okay, sure. So the audit review the following issue. First is the report is inaccurate because error in reporting, revenue reporting is caused by someone mistakenly updating the revenue code. It's a human error. Second is undercharging issue occurred because either the price was incorrectly updated on the form or outdated contract price were used in some transaction. So both due to human error. And the last one is from the audit is the delay from some EHF submission. So right now the operation have to manually scan and email all the form, so which is time consuming, so the delay. For your info, our current system are all manually keyed in by staff.
Understood. That's mean the main causes are human error and the limitation of the manual process.
Exactly. So that's why the revenue reporting is inaccurate. So the billing also delayed.
Alright, here's the plan. Please schedule a daily meeting with all relevant teams at your earliest convenience. I want the team to clearly outline all the requirements and propose necessary improvements. Afterward, prepare a project document that includes the updated workflow, estimated costs, and potential revenue impact. Ensure everything is prepared before presenting to the top management.
The manager is instructing admin to arrange the JA meeting and invite the responsible individuals. The manager is approaching admin at the admin desk.
Hi Adlin. So we need to schedule the JD meeting. So could you please check me the available slot time?
Of course, Madam Susie. Who should I invite in the meeting?
So invite everyone involved in the requirement session. So ensuring that operations, finance, and our system analysts are all included.
Understood. I will prepare the email invitation and sign the draft for review before sending it out.
Okay, good. Thank you.
The JA meeting invitation has been signed to all key stakeholders, which is for the operation, the finance, and the system analysts. This meeting will ensure alignment on system requirement before the development phase proceeds. Today, the meetings begin. Everyone enters the room.
Hello, good morning everyone. Good morning. Shall we start?
Yes.
Alright, so good morning everyone. Thank you for attending today's JD meeting. So we are here to discuss the following audit finding, which is first current process, input and output. Second is a problem statement and suggested improvement. So afterward, we will prepare a project document that includes the updated workflow, which is estimated cost and potential revenue impact. So before we begin, I'd like each of you briefly introduce yourselves and your roles.
Okay. Hello everyone, and I'm Siti, a system analyst. I analyze workflow workflow gaps and translate it into the system requirements.
Assalamualaikum. I'm Helmi from the operation team. So I'm the end user involved in completing and submitting EHF form on site.
Good morning, I'm Ashita from Finance Department. I oversee revenue verification and revenue posting to ensure a correct financial reporting.
Good morning, I'm Azlin from Tax Admin Department. I'm responsible as head of administration to ensure all arrangements are properly prepared, provide administrative and technical support as needed.
Alright, so referring to our agenda today, so the first point is the issue which is arising from the recent audit finding. So audit identified a few problems. First is a revenue reporting error due to wrong revenue code updates. And second, undercharged customer because some price was still based on old contract. And the last one is the issue of mainly causes by manual entry and human error. So can you all explain why it's happened?
So I'm Helmi from the operation team. So our current engineering handling form EHF process is still manually complete using paper form. So we usually receive service requests by email or phone call, and which is directed to the PIC. So additionally, all on-ground execution remain a fully manual process. So once the service request is confirmed, so the PIC will arrange all the required support. The PIC fills in the carbonized engineering handling form or EHF. This form produce 3 copies. So the first copy, the customer copy, which is the white sheet. So this is for the customer to sign and acknowledge the service. And then the second copy is for finance, which is the pink one, the pink sheet. So that one finance use the copy for billing reference. And lastly, the third copy is for operation filing, which is the blue sheet. So this copy is kept by operation for internal records and audit purpose. We are currently short-staffed, and then managing the number of manual processes has become overwhelming. So after each service, our staff manually scan the EHF and then enter the summary into Excel and then submit post the summary and the scanned EHF to finance for billing.
Alright, thank you, Helmi. So, okay, from the finance side, any concern on the current process?
Yes, Madam Chair, we have identified several key challenges, including heavy manual submission, delays in billing, and a recent audit issue. To resolve this issue, we are proposing a comprehensive digitalization plan.
May I know what specific field or information should be included in the digitalization plan, and what is the finance related issues have you identified in the current audit?
Sure, there are the key issues we face. The first, incorrect revenue code updates. This affect reporting accuracy as the data end up under the wrong ledger. Second, manual entry pricing information. Currently, we manually key in pricing from the summary report. This can lead to errors such as referring to outdated contracts or incorrect pricing. Number 3, late submission of forms. EHF forms from operation are often delayed. For example, October form might only arrive in November, but November may already have new pricing. This leads to incorrect billing and reporting.
Sorry for being interrupted. As mentioned before, we are currently short-staffed and handling 50 to 60 forms a day. So with even higher volumes during peak season, the system must support up to 100 form only, 100 form daily. At this point, it is possible to keep up with everything manually, which is why digitalization is necessary to improve efficiency and reduce workload or otherwise increase our manpower.
So, Siti, so as a system analyst, so how do you think that we should address the issue? So, which part of the process do you think is most suitable for digitalization?
Okay. One of the main issues we are facing is the manual submission of EHF forms, which cause significant delays. Okay, to resolve this, I believe that EHF submissions process should be digitalized. Okay. with digitalizations, pricing will be preset and errors will be removed. And then the system will automatically send copies to all parties, and so no more manual scanning or emails. Everything will be submitted in real time, so enabling faster bidding and accurate process.
Alright, so the committee has agreed to digitalize the EHF form. So regarding the manpower issue, we will escalate this to the top management. So now I will pass to the system analyst, so you can ask for the additional information that you need to prepare the project paper, since we will be hiring a developer to create a digital form later.
Thank you, Madam Chair. So, Madam Machinta, regarding the revenue codes, should finance have the ability to edit from the system when the contract term change, or should they remain read on before operation?
Finance will release a master data table for pricing and revenue codes. Operation will have view-only access. To minimize minimal errors, we propose using preset pricing and we auto-assign revenue codes in the system.
So, for the operation side, what type of access do you prefer? Is it mobile or web?
Okay, for operation, all service requests will submitted digitally through a web or mobile platform. However, we prefer a mobile option since we need something on the go that allow us to submit from the form from anywhere.
So Siti, so for mobile interface, I think we should consider to have online mode as the backup plan in case the hangar area has a poor internet.
Okay, note on that, Madam Chair. And I will propose for basics online offline capabilities with SIMs when in offline mode, so that the user wouldn't get any problems accessing to our system whenever they are not connected to the internet.
So at the end of this discussion, so we hope that is to reduce the human error in all the processes to improve visibility and tracking all service requests. So and provide accurate real-time reporting for management and audit purpose. Siti, what will be the rough cost estimate for this digitalization? So is it going to be very expensive, or would the price reach around 50K?
Yes, Madam Chair. From a technical perspective, I think a rough estimate for implementations at around 45K to 60K is depending on the complexity of features and mobile integration. Okay, but however, the final budget and exact scope will need to be confirmed once the project paper or BRD is reviewed and approved by finance.
Alright, so you can proceed to prepare the project paper. So based on our meeting today, so we will conduct another meeting for further discussion. So my team will prepare the proposal paper for the budget approval. So hence we need Mashita to review once the project paper and proposal is completed.
Sure, Madam Chair. Once we get the digital project paper, proposal paper, including system requirements, scope and expected benefits, we can review budget allocations and give approval.
So admin, please make sure to record all inputs from this meeting and prepare the minute meetings within 2 days after the session.
Untuk Madam Chair, I will take the necessary action and will email to this meeting notes to all attendees as soon as possible.
Alright, so any blockers before we dismiss?
No, madam.
No. Okay, so if there's no further issue, I trust everyone is clear, and our next meeting will focus on reviewing the system mock-up. So thank you everyone. This meeting is dismissed.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
The meeting concluded with the decision to implement the digitalized system, and the prototype will be developed later.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome.